These operations are carried out in a packed bed system and the spray tower. Tray tower is also comes under the continuous contact, but in the tray tower there is a gap between the two trays. So in between these two tray, maybe the gas and liquid will comes in a contact or may not be. Maybe they directly passed separately within this reason, or maybe they comes becomes in contact. लेकिन in the spray tower or the pack tower, both gas and liquid is continuously comes in a contact. Yeah. So this is the case, continuous contact operations. So this is counter current operation first thing, pack tower or the spray tower, and this behave differently than the plate tower. Yeah, here fluids are in contact continuously in their path because this fluid is flowing over the packed surface and the gas is passing through this packed surface. To continuously the liquid comes in a contact with the gas. But in the tray tower, this process is intermittently. Quickly in every tray, the gas and liquids comes in a contact. But in between the tray, maybe or may not be contact take place. Thus, in packed tower, liquid and gas composition changes continuously with the height of packing. So when we discuss the packed tower, to one term which is comes here is the height equivalent to theoretical stage. यानी कि this represent the distance between the two plates. यानी this is the distance between the two plate in the tray tower. So this distance is approximated in the tray tower with the help of this method. This is known as a height equivalent to an equilibrium stage, and this is any theoretical plate. So in the designing of pack tower, number of theoretical trays or plate required for a given change in concentration is computed. यानी कि how many theoretical trays, यानी this is in the pack tower there is no trays, but we estimate कि how many number of theoretical trays is required for a given operation, यानी for given change in concentration. So this can be find out by multiply by this quantity the height equivalent to a theoretical tray, and this is known as a HETP, है ना. This यानी कि in the pack tower, यानी this up to this height of the packing is equivalent to one theoretical stage. Hmm. HETP not only vary with the type and size of the packing, but also affected with the flow rate of each fluid and the concentration of both liquid and gas, है ना. So this will depend not only the type of packing and the size of the packing, but also if effect and is strongly effect on the flow rate of each fluid and the concentration as well. To force in the absorption in the packed absorption column, any absorption of one component. So here this is a packed tower. Ah, here we have taken as a differential section of height dz, and the total height of the tower is z, and the gas is coming at the molar flow rate of G1, है ना, and this is the molar flow rate of solute free basis, and y1 is a mole fraction of solute in the gas, and y1, capital Y1 represent the mole ratio of solute in the gas, and similarly this is the leaving flow rate and their composition, and the liquid composition and the liquid flow rate. Here the L2 is entering liquid flow rate and LS is solute free basis, and X2 is a composition represented in mole fraction and capital X2 in mole ratio. So similarly the leaving. So this is the tower. Hmm. The total effective interfacial surface of mass transfer which is provided by this tower is S per unit मतलब S, and this is per unit cross section. Total effective interfacial surface for mass transfer is S, and this is a per unit cross section. This is conveniently described as the product of specific interfacial surface. यानी this is already we have discussed in the previous chapters. यानी कि this A specific interfacial surface है ना. This is the dimension is surface per volume है ना of packing, and multiply by this with the packed volume, and packed volume here is a, let's say for this differential section the packed volume is a dz. Why dz is a represented here is a height, लेकिन the packed volume which is multiply here, this is a volume per unit tower cross section, yani volume of this differential section divide by the cross sectional area. जब when you divide this volume of this cross section, yani is this cross section divide by the cross sectional area, तो you will get this height. इसीलिए this packed volume is represented as dz, है ना. तो in the differential volume of this dz, for this differential volume the interface surface जो होगी in the differential form ds जो होगा, this is a dz, simply a dz. तो जैसे s is simply a z, a z भी नहीं, this is a into volume or volume of this whole tower divided by the cross sectional area, तो वो क्या होगा, this is simply z. So this is the effective interfacial mass transfer area, and this is A into Z. And then the differential section के लिए this is ds equal to a dz. The quantity of solute A which is passing through this tower over this differential section of this tower, तो जितना ट्रांसफर होगा this is gy यानी over this, क्योंकि you have seen here कि inlet flow rate of the gas is G1 and the leaving is G2. This means that the flow rate will be very big because solute will transfer from the gas phase to the liquid phase. So therefore their molar flow rate will vary. Actually the molar flow rate at this differential section is G multiply by the composition of within this differential section of the solute is Y. So therefore the Gy is the quantity of solute in the gas within this differential section, है ना. And the rate of mass transfer therefore dgy, then for this differential section the rate of mass transfer is simply this is dgy. And you know that this absorption is a single component absorption, है ना. One component is transfer. So this gas mixture contains a one solute which is transferred from gas phase to the liquid phase. यानी जो rest of the part of the gas which is known as a carrier, तो they do not diffuse. तो therefore ये B represent the that part of the यानी carrier gas and that they do not diffuse to the liquid, इसलिए NB is 0. Hmm. NB is 0 and Na having some value. Hmm. तो Na represent था यानी कि the molar flux of solute. तो Na upon Na plus Nb क्या हुआ? Nb is 0, तो Na upon Na is 1. तो this value is 1. ठीक. Then Na. How we will get this? So this we will get from this relationship. Hmm. I will show you. Hmm. Yeah, this is the relationship. Already we have discussed in the mass transfer coefficient this relationship. Yani Na equal to Na upon summation n Fg ln Na upon summation n minus Yai upon Na upon summation n minus Yag. So this relationship, this is for the gas phase as similarly for the liquid phase. So we have discussion here is a gas phase. So Na हो जाएगा this value Na upon summation n, यानी कि summation n is Na plus Nb, तो Nb is 0, तो this value is 1. तो ये 1. तो Na is simply Fg ln 1 minus Yai upon 1 minus Yag. तो this is written here. ठीक है, तो this is Fg ln 1 minus Yi upon 1 minus Y, जो previously we have seen, and this is Fg. And Na, अब Na is this value, and we have written the rate of mass transfer is dgy. This divide by the effective surface area AdZ, तो ये again this is Na. क्योंकि Na is their unit is moles of A absorbed per unit interfacial surface area into time. तो moles of A absorbed ये लिखा है, this is quantity of solute in the gas. तो quantity of solute in the gas is this amount and this amount is available for the absorption. तो this is, and differential form में this is this. तो ये the quantity of solute which is absorbed in the gas phase, तो this is available. तो dgy and divide by interfacial surface area, तो adz, क्योंकि this moles of A divide by time, इसकी यूनिट देखो moles of A differential volume per unit time, इसलिए this is this interfacial surface area and this is AdZ. तो dimension wise if you see, तो this is यानी dgy divide by AdZ will give the Na. तो यानी कि this is Na equal to this you will get from the mass transfer coefficient relationship, and this is तो Na equal to this, तो यानी कि this one is equal to this. Then dgy को we can again, क्योंकि G you already knows this is a gas molar flow rate, and you knows कि as this gas will moving from bottom to top, this flow rate will vary, है ना, because Y will vary, composition will vary, so this flow rate will vary one to one end of the towers to other. But GS यानी solute free basis this doesn't vary, है ना, the molar flow rate solute free basis does not vary. So you can write this gy यानी G is replaced by the GS, है ना, you already knows कि GS is simply G multiply 1 within bracket 1 minus Y. This is solute free basis, तो GS is this, तो यानी कि G को you can replace as GS upon 1 minus Y, and put here to GS Y 1 upon 1 minus Y. Then differentiate this, तो GS is a constant to take outside, and GS upon dy 1 minus y का whole square. When you are differentiating this with with y, तो y को differentiate करने के after with differentiating the y, you will get this. क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर कंटेन्स दैट y टर्म, इसलिए दिस इज स्क्वायर टर्म विल कम. यू ऑलरेडी नो कि फर्स्ट सेकंड से डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस, and take the differentiation of this. So with the help of first second numerator denominator, so this you will get this. Then gs को again if you put this g1 minus y, तो you will get this, है ना. अब यहाँ g is a constant, g is outside from the differential, you can use this into the your expression to put this value in the this expression. यहाँ पे put कर दीजिए, you put the have this values here, and then rearrange this expression and integrate. तो after देखो this equation contains the dz, तो dz is the differential height of the this section, है ना, differential section. And if you want to find out the overall height of the column, तो यानी integrate over this dz from 0 to z. यानी after rearrange, देखो you rearrange this expression and then तो you rearrange one expression, तो you will get this. Simply rearrangement, nothing, क्योंकि we have written देखो this ये लिखा हुआ है, this is this is the expression, हाँ. तो you rearrange this, यानी dz take this side and rest of the term in the denominator, है ना. This term यानी right hand side terms in the denominator and dz in the right hand side. So you will get this. देखो fg into a ln this 1 minus yi, this is, है ना, and this, and when you putting gy, when you is expanding this, so dgy को you can write as a g 1 minus y into dy. So when you to 1 minus y comes into the denominator, so therefore this 1 minus y comes into the and the numerator g dy. So you will get this after rearrangement. So z integrate this, so you will get z equal to integration. The limit is y2 minus y2 to y1. Y2 to y1, why y2 to y1? Actually y2 is, you have seen here from the graph कि y2 is a leaving composition and y1 is a inlet composition, and you knows कि the solute is transfer from gas phase to the liquid phase, यानी gas solute concentration at the inlet is higher, यानी y1 is higher and y2 is lower, इसलिए there's a integration limit they have taken y2 to y1. Then rearrange this expression in a convenient form. तो what we will do, यानी we will multiply and divide by this term y minus yi से, यानी multiply this expression with y minus yi, यानी कि here you can multiply y minus yi and divide y minus yi, है ना. Y minus is multiply and divide, and in that numerator you can write y minus yi as this way, है ना, 1 minus yi minus 1 minus y. Why we are writing this? क्योंकि in the denominator this is written as ln upon 1 minus yi upon 1 minus yi. So we write this into the numerator, so divide by this this term, यानी कि divide this term, क्योंकि this term is in the denominator, तो this will represent the logarithmic mean. यानी कि 1 minus yi within bracket minus 1 minus y divide by ln within bracket 1 minus yi upon 1 minus ya. तो ये this is the logarithmic mean. Therefore we replace this whole term with the logarithmic mean, यानी कि 1 minus yi im. ये they represent the logarithmic mean of 1 minus yi. And in the denominator y minus yi terms will come. And ये fga जो rest of the term is present in the fga 1 minus y. तो z dy. So this is the height of the absorption column. And this ym is the logarithmic mean of this. Then again take the g, क्योंकि g is a constant, क्योंकि this is not integration, क्योंकि this is not vary with, to take the outside, and fga is also take outside, क्योंकि fga क्या है, this is mass transfer coefficient for the bulk case, है ना. तो fga take outside, तो g by fga take outside, and within integration 1 minus y im dy upon 1 minus y minus yi. तो this term, यानी g by fga, this will give the height of the transfer unit, है ना, height of the transfer unit. And this term, integration this term, this is represented as ntg, यानी number of transfer units. Gas transfer unit, तो number of gas transfer unit is ntg. तो htg हमारा हो गया this g by fga, and you can write fga is again another individual mass transfer coefficient. तो ये this is kya, यानी कि fg के in place of fga you can write as a ky 1 minus y im, है ना. fg you can write as a ky 1 minus y im, and again you can write as a kg a pt 1 minus y im, yani they, when this is a mass transfer coefficient written in the mole fraction term, this is written in a bulk case, तो ये 1 minus yi, so you can write this hdg in this form. Then ntg again simplified by further substituting the arithmetic average instead of logarithmic average. Matlab here we have written the logarithmic average. This can be replaced by the arithmetic average if the composition change is very less, है ना. If the composition change is very less, क्योंकि logarithmic average when we take when the change in composition is significant, very less significant, then we use. Otherwise we can use the arithmetic average. तो यानी कि you can replace this with the help of arithmetic average in this expression. So after putting this, यानी कि how this we, when you are putting here in place of 1 minus y im की जगह when we are putting this, तो what will happen? Look, I will write only the integral within the integral. So this is 1 minus y I plus 1 minus y. 2 आएगा, 2 take outside, I will take the outside, and in the denominator this whole is dy and 1 minus y and y minus yi. तो first देखो 1 minus yi, this cannot be cancelled through the denominator terms, but 1 minus y is cancelled out with the help of denominator, यानी break into two. तो I'm not writing the integration term and differential ये this dy. I am directly solving this part only. तो 1 minus yi, you can make this 1 minus yi as a y minus yi. How you can make? यानी कि you can write this इसमें what we will do, we will add y है ना within this and subtract y, यानी within the 1 minus yi में add y है ना, this is we have added and subtract this. Hmm. And second term तो 1 minus y and divide by this है ना, तो 1 minus y is cancel out, तो बचेगा क्या, what will be remain here, तो this is remain here कि minus 1 minus yi, this is remain here. And in here the denominator contains 1 minus y and y minus yi. Again you can rearrange this, तो क्या होगा 1 minus y is come one term है ना, and then second term is come y minus yi. So 1 minus y, this we have written, and plus y minus yi we have written here. है ना? Again you can break into two part. So this term we have written here, यानी कि this is plus something है ना, this is we have already, and divide this, तो यानी कि 1 minus y and y minus yi. Here again this term 1 minus y and y minus yi. So what will happen? This 1 minus y is cancelled out here, and this y minus yi is cancelled from this. So what will we will get? In this case 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus yi we are getting, and plus this is we get the 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus y है ना, and this term is also we will get y minus yi है ना. So there is two term of 1 upon 1 minus yi. So when we are adding, so this is 2 time, or already 2 is outside, 1 by 2 is outside. तो ये क्या होगा, this is 2 cancel out हो जाएगा, तो this is simple, this term is you will get यानी dy upon 1 y minus yi, क्योंकि you get the two term of this 1 upon y minus yi. तो 2 time already 1 by 2 is outside from this integration, तो यानी कि 2 cancel out, तो ये बचेगा only 1, तो यानी 1, and this term is only a single time, so this contains the 1 by 2, therefore this 1 by 2 will come, and when you are integrating this term, तो यार देखो this term is dy upon 1 minus y, तो यानी कि this is log, तो ln 1 minus y आएगा, and then you put the integration limit, so you will get this. So after putting the integration limit and this, so you will get this. So this is the solution है ना, यानी NTG you can write this way after putting the arithmetic mean in place of logarithmic mean. Similarly, when the above mentioned relationship are right for the liquid composition case में, then this you will get this expression, same expression, in place of G this is L, and here the mass transfer coefficient is FL in place of FG, something, everything is same, 1 minus x im, 1 minus x xi minus x. Here in the previous case ये था, this is y minus yi, and here x minus xi minus x. Why this is? You already knows कि this side is a gas. Hmm, this side is a gas and this side is a liquid. So their equilibrium composition at the interface here yi and xi. Yeah. तो क्योंकि गैस इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड, यानी कि दिस कंपोजिशन इज हायर देन द वाई आई, इसीलिए वाई माइनस वाई आई था. एंड दिस एंड इन द लिक्विड, क्योंकि लिक्विड इंटरफेस कंपोजिशन विल बी हायर कंपेयर टू द बल्क, तो इसीलिए द डिफरेंस इज एक्स आई माइनस एक्स. क्योंकि दिस, तो दिस इज, यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस वे कि then here this L by FL represent the height of transfer unit of liquid transfer unit, and this is number of liquid transfer units, है ना? And everything, this is a logarithmic average you can write. So this is the, you can write for other mass transfer coefficient term में you can express this. And NTL again, if you writing into the writing the arithmetic mean in place of logarithmic mean, to this you will get this expression. So all these expression, this is for the liquid case and previous one is for the gas case. So all these equations are used to determine the height of the tower. Actually this will give the height of the packing. This is not give the height of the total tower. Total tower is calculation is a mechanical part. Because we will consider the top and end covers and then spacing provided for the distribution purpose, any gas distribution and liquid distribution. So all these, when we consider that the total height will be different than those we have calculated from these method, but this will give the total height of the tub where the mass transfer will take place, है ना? यानी the part of the packing. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस, यानी कि विद द नोन क्वांटिटीज, क्योंकि दीज क्वांटिटीज आर नोन, ये दीज आर द नोन, है ना? यू कैन, क्योंकि मोलर फ्लो रेट ऑफ लिक्विड गैस, दीज आर गिवन, एंड दिस वैल्यू इंटरफेशियल सरफेस एरिया of the packing is also known, then mass transfer coefficient will be also given. So these are the given, so you can find out the height of the transfer unit, है ना? If for the gas basis or the for the liquid basis you can easily estimate and easily determine. But NTG and NTL, yani number of transfer unit for gas based phase or the liquid phase, this can be determined only through graphical method. यानी why? क्योंकि we draw the graph, है ना? क्योंकि plot the graph, क्योंकि this part we want to estimate. Yeah, this one. Yeah, excuse me. One. Hello. Hello. Actually, तो फिर पता कर लो सर, तो हमें नहीं पता, फिर तो मैं किसका प्रोडक्ट, अब ये तो वही से फोन कर किसी दूसरे नंबर फोन करके पता करेगा, ठीक है? हम्म, यानी कि estimate this. अब this you can guesstimate uh, through integration, but integration is not a simple one. So we use a graphical procedure to find out the integration. तो इंटीग्रेशन यानी कि हाउ टू, यानी कि ड्रॉ द प्लॉट बिटवीन द 1 upon y minus yi versus y and find out the area under the curve. अब जो भी, whatever the curve will form, find out the area under this curve through graphical, यानी तो area under the curve, तो this will give the NTG. अब फर्स्ट, क्योंकि everything is okay, but this yi, how to find out the yi? So yeah, these values we can evaluate it by drawing a line between equilibrium curve and operating line with the slope of this. Yani find out this kx a upon ky a, this ratio. So how to find out? I will show you कि how to draw these line and how to find out the yi. क्योंकि yi is important. क्योंकि this is an interfacial composition. So interfacial composition is not known directly. You can estimate with the help of the graph plotted between the equilibrium curve, operating line and equilibrium curve. So how you can find out? Hmm. Yeah, this is the problem. Here they have shown how to find out the plot. Mm, this graph is visible.
Yes, sir.
है ना? This, देखो, this is the operating line you can draw through the mass balance equation, है ना? Equilibrium curve, you have the relationship already, you knows how to write, how to draw this equilibrium curve. क्योंकि you can use this relationship, है ना? यानी composition difference, with the help of this relationship you can find out the operating line, है ना? Simply ये तो this is x1 minus x2, है ना? You can, तो ये दो operating line. Then equilibrium line, already we have discussed कि how to find out the equilibrium line, कि we knows the relationship, uh, this is vapor pressure multiplied by x, है ना? This is the relationship, है? तो यानी कि divide this vapor pressure with the total pressure, या जैसा भी, या इसको देखो, you can ऐसे, no, don't write this way. Partial pressure you can write as a composition multiply by total pressure. ये relationship, यानी P star को you can write this way, and then Y star, ये this is equilibrium relationship. This is P is a vapor pressure and this is PT is total pressure, है ना? तो with the help of you can find out the equilibrium curve, है ना? क्योंकि P vapor pressure you can find out the Cox chart for a given temperature and pressure. ये find out total pressure is given in the problem कि इतना total pressure is given कि 1 atmosphere or above than the atmosphere जो भी है, तो you can find out this and then put different value of x and get the y, तो you will get the equilibrium curve. ये पता चल गया. Then find out this uh, yi, क्योंकि yi is required to draw the plot. तो yi का how to find out the yi, क्योंकि we have written कि draw the minus kx upon kya, oh sorry, तो kx upon my kya, this you want to that. तो ये कैसे है, देखो I will show you कि how you can get. तो kxa and kya, तो kya according to the relationship जो between the different mass transfer coefficients, है ना? क्योंकि this is a mass transfer for the bulk case, है ना? Local mass transfer for the bulk case, and this is the again individual local mass transfer for the mole in mole fraction terms. तो ये FGA जो है this is KYA PBM और P समथिंग दिस, है ना। तो ये फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशनशिप, है ना, देयर रिलेशनशिप कि देयर इज अ, आई विल शो द अगेन रिलेशनशिप, नहीं तो दिस इज 65, you can remember, ये these are the relationship which is given in the Trevol also and other book also, ये these are the relationship, है ना। with the help of these relationship you can find out the kxa and kya, यही relationship they have used here। हम्म, तो ये दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप, तो ये के वाई ए यानी कि एफ जी ए अपॉन दिस, या एफ जी ए अपॉन वन माइनस ये, तो यानी कि हमें ये चाहिए के वाई ए चाहिए एंड देन दिस इज के एक्स है ना, एफ एल ए अपॉन वन माइनस एक्स, आई एम मीन्स लॉगरिथमिक मीन ऑफ दिस। तो ये तो लॉगरिथमिक मीन, हाउ लॉगरिथमिक मीन तो भी निकाल नहीं सकते क्योंकि वी डोंट नो द इंटरफेशियल कंपोजिशन, लेकिन वी कैन यूज डायरेक्टली वन माइनस वाई इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस, है ना। जैसे दे क्योंकि देयर इज अ वेरिएशन इज कंपोजिशन इज वेरी लेस, तो वी कैन डायरेक्टली वन माइनस वाई लॉगरिथमिक मीन को यू कैन यूज सिंपली वन माइनस वाई। तो दे हैव यूजिंग हियर कि वन माइनस वाई ले लिया है। अब वाई वैल्यू यू कैन टेक द exit inlet and exit composition जो भी है, this is you can take, जैसे for in this case the y is given as a 0.02 and x is a 0.1063, ये this is given in this problem। uh, देखो this is given, देखो ये y1 है ना, y1 is given as a 0.02, इतने मोल फ्रैक्शन is coming and आउटलेट पे देखो मोर सोल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन एट द इनलेट इन द गैस फेज इज 0.02, तो ये इनलेट पे ले ली एंड इसी के करस्पॉन्डिंग यू कैन टेक द लिक्विड कंपोजिशन। तो वो जैसे कि इन द टावर सेम पॉइंट पे, यानी कि जैसे टॉप देख रहे हैं तो टॉप में जो कंपोजिशन देखें या बॉटम में जो कंपोजिशन देख रहे हैं, तो उस हिसाब से जैसे यहाँ पे जो ये कंपोजिशन ली है सेम पॉइंट पे ली गई है, देखो दिस कंपोजिशन चाहे एक्स की जो लेंगे सेम एज अ वाई की कंपोजिशन एट द सेम पॉइंट, इसलिए देयरफॉर दिस इज एट द इनलेट कंपोजिशन यानी बॉटम पे, तो बॉटम पे ही द लिक्विड कंपोजिशन to this composition and find out the 1 minus y 1 minus x and put here fga is known, put this value here, and similarly fl is known, put this value is here, क्योंकि these two are known value, fga and mass transfer coefficient and the bulk case these are values are known, तो यानी put this values here and then find out the kxa and kya, take the reciprocal मतलब take the डिवीजन ऑफ दिस यानी माइनस के एक्स ए अपॉन के वाई ए, ये पता चल जाएगा दिस इज द स्लोप एंड फ्रॉम वेयर वी विल ड्रॉ दिस स्लोप, तो ये कहां से स्लोप ड्रॉ करनी है, तो दिस स्लोप इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द दिस पॉइंट, जैसे करस्पॉन्डिंग वाई वी हैव टेकन इस 0.02, तो इस पॉइंट से यू कैन ड्रॉ द स्लोप of this minus kxa upon kya, तो when you draw this slope, तो where this cut the equilibrium curve, जैसे this line represent the this line represent their slope is minus kxa upon kya, तो where this will cut the equilibrium curve, तो ये पॉइंट बताएगा this is the composition of interface, यानी कि this will give the yi, है ना। तो y is this and yi is this, तो similarly you can take any value of y, है ना, within this range, you can't go above than or lower than this range, whatever the value of x and y, यानी inlet composition of y and the leaving composition of y, within this y you can take any value of y and corresponding you will find out the yi, and similarly for xi, if you want to xi, then otherwise yi is sufficient to find out the uh, number of transfer unit, to yi, तो वाई आई जैसे फॉर डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ दे हैव टेकन डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ y and then draw the kx minus kxa upon ky है ये slope again and again different values से तो they have different तो you will get the different values of y I है ना तो when you get the different value of yi because they have plotted here they have different value of yi and then these they have draw the plot between the y upon 1 minus yi upon log y क्योंकि they have taken log y क्योंकि this data is so scattered so they have taken log otherwise if you don't want to the log then don't take the log तो अब ये this plot this and find out the area under the curve area under the curve will give the anti-g hmm. तो area under the curve will give the anti-g तो stripper में the same relationship apply for the stripper also and the driving force here 1 minus yi and xi minus x which appear in the above equation are then negative but since for stripper x2 is greater than x1 x2 is greater than x1 means देखो ये है सेकंड पॉइंट है ना ये दिस इज टॉप को x2 लेते हैं एंड दिस इज फर्स्ट पॉइंट एज पर द नोटेशंस तो यानी x2 जो है दिस इज लिक्विड कंपोजिशन is greater than x1 है ना for the stripper क्योंकि स्ट्रिपर में the solute will transfer from the liquid phase to the gas phase therefore x2 is greater than the x1 तो this and y2 ये y2 है this is and this is y1 तो y2 is greater than the y1 क्योंकि gas will take the solute with them so therefore y2 is greater than y so only everything is same but the driving force is these two and same method is used to evaluate the height of the stripper लेकिन the overall transfer unit term में क्योंकि if you write for the overall transfer unit terms तो equilibrium curve is straight and the ratio of mass transfer coefficient is constant क्योंकि in previous case mass transfer coefficient may be vary from स्टेज बाय मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप यानी स्टेज बाय स्टेज यानी थ्योरेटिकल स्टेज विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू थ्योरेटिकल प्लेट HETP के in every step the mass transfer coefficient will vary but if the mass transfer coefficient is constant and the equilibrium curve is straight the convenient way to express in terms of overall mass transfer coefficient then height of the tower can be expressed यानी can be estimated with the help of this है ना here NTOG and HTOG same यानी कि this is overall mass transfer coefficient maybe क्योंकि previously we have written this is FG and this is individual mass transfer coefficient of bulk so this may be vary throughout the column लेकिन we assume कि for a small change कि we have assumed कि this is constant लेकिन if you are in terms of overall mass transfer coefficient term में then this is written as FOG तो HTOG is same expression for evaluation of height of the transfer unit and similarly you can find out the number of transfer unit ठीक है the same thing here क्योंकि in this expression there is a no change but only change which is visible here कि here we are using equilibrium composition in place of interfacial composition तो interfacial composition क्योंकि when we talking about the this case यानी this is equilibrium curve is state and the ratio of mass transfer coefficient constant so in place of equilibrium composition yeah in place of interfacial composition we use a equilibrium composition तो अब this is become simple अब don't do this type of case, यानी कि जैसे this is a operating line and this is a equilibrium curve, है ना, and the don't draw the, मतलब draw the this slope over this, क्योंकि अब this is not needed here, क्योंकि we directly find out the equilibrium composition with the help of equilibrium curve. So yeah, we can directly find out, don't need this type of, draw this type of and then find out the equilibrium, a interfacial composition with the help of equilibrium curve. Similarly for the liquid case, and this is for the height of the liquid transfer unit. Then for the dilute solution, the dilute solution में the computation of number of transfer unit for dilute mixture, this is greatly simplified. Why? क्योंकि in the dilute solution we knows कि the second term of NTOG, यानी this term is vanish out. Why this term is vanish out? क्योंकि this, the ln of this term, क्योंकि we are using with the dilute solution, and dilute solution when we using, तो यानी composition changes very less, composition changes very less, so their ratio, the ln of this term is almost negligible, यानी this is approaches to the zero, है ना, क्योंकि आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, you have knows कि log of a small quantity is almost negligible, and this is approximate zero, so therefore this term is vanish out, only this term is remain here. So this term and the equilibrium curve and the mole in terms of mole fraction becomes linear, क्योंकि dilute solution के केस में this is to be linear within this range, है ना, and this having the intercept. लेकिन if we talk about the dilute solution and follow the Henry law, so this intercept part will be vanish out, क्योंकि in that case the equilibrium curve will pass through the origin of the origin point, and the operating line similarly for here, the operating line is again a straight line, and so the driving force for this case y minus y star is again linear, है ना, क्योंकि this line is linear, operating line is linear, equilibrium curve line is linear, though the driving force is again linear, yeah, this is linear, and they here these constant r, q, and this is s, these are the constant term. Therefore equation जो एंटी यूजी इक्वेशंस होगी, अब you can replace this y minus y star from here, यहाँ से you can put y minus y star as a qx plus s, क्योंकि driving force is again a linear equation and this is a qx plus s equal, so you can put here qx s plus x and then integrate, and again why this is terms will come, क्योंकि when again x को you can replace in terms of y, तो you will again get the same expression, यानी कि this sorry, when you x will be replaced in terms of y, तो automatically this will term again comes, तो वो अपने आप तो ये आ जाएगी इक्वेशन, दिस इक्वेशंस विल कम, इसको अगेन सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में वी कैन राइट दिस वे, यानी कि ln अपॉन दिस यू कैन टेक इनटू द न्यूमरेटर, नहीं द टेक इनटू द डिनोमिनेटर, तो डिनोमिनेटर में यू कैन पुट हेयर, है ना, क्योंकि व्हेन यू टेक द इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर तो ये वन अपॉन समथिंग नीचे आ जाएगा, एंड इन द denominator and the numerator you multiply this y1 minus y2, क्योंकि this is again y1 minus y2 है, बस y1 minus y2 को we can break into this form, यानी to make this term as a logarithmic term we can break the y1 minus y2 in this form, है ना, इस टाइप से we can write here, तो यानी कि y1 minus y2 का multiplication in the numerator as well as in denominator. So you will get this, and this term is represented as a logarithmic mean. तो ये इसको logarithmic mean करके we have written, and in the numerator y1 minus y2 is present. तो this is anti-OG. तो यानी in the dilute solution case, anti-OG you can write as a y1 minus y2 upon logarithmic of this. एंड ऑफ द एंड हेयर द कंसल्टेशन जो यूज करेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ द टावर यानी बॉटम के एंड टॉप के. द इक्वेशन इज समटाइम यूज्ड इन द फैमिलियर रेट. मतलब दिस इक्वेशन you can write in the your equation, yani you can put directly here, yani you put here you put ntog value this, and htog you can put from here, यहाँ से htog, and then you can arrange expression, so you will get this. ना ना, after arrangement है, this is same equation, यानी put this ntog value this and htog value from height transfer unit of overall के जो वैल्यूज है, दिस इज दिस वैल्यू यू कैन पुट फ्रॉम हेयर, है ना. ये पुट कर दीजिए और ये पुट करिए, कुछ भी जो आपको यू कैन रिक्वायर. जैसे दिस इज पुटिंग हेयर के जी ए, तो यानी पुटिंग करने के बाद आफ्टर पुटिंग दिस यू विल गेट दिस. तो दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन. तो आई विल स्टॉप हेयर. And next time we will discuss some of the topics and the question related to this mass gas liquid operation.